students who want to be successful and prosperous needs to work hard in order to learn the necessary material and deal with essential tasks. Some students cannot cope with the assistance of academic helpers as it takes too much time and effort to do all the tasks on time. Fortunately, with the development of modern technologies, learning has become considerably simpler and more comfortable. Students have got an excellent opportunity to use up-to-date platforms and applications to speed up the completion of specific tasks and become successful in various fields. It is hard to deny that the students can learn anywhere and anytime, taking advantage of modern convenience and useful services. With the rapid and constant technological advancement, learning is not restricted to college settings now. Teachers have a chance to embrace new technologies and implement new approaches to education that can make the process simpler, more comfortable, and productive. The diversity of up-to-date technologies and tools may seem overwhelming and unnecessary for the vast majority of students. Still, one will acknowledge their importance only after the trial use. Quality communication apps, P4SE service, information database, and a range of other items will help you transform your studying process and become more successful. Check out the list of the top 8 most efficient approaches to the education that will allow schools and classrooms to reach new heights. Problem-based learning. Now, instead of providing students with an excellent theoretical background, the up-to-date technologies have made it possible to model real-life situations that help students apply their knowledge practically. Fast communication, concept understanding, excellent problem solving, and efficient time management have become possible with the diversity of modern apps and web-based platforms. Using modern technologies, students are motivated to think creatively, be flexible, and adjust to the new circumstances fast. Additionally, there is a unique chance to collaborate with other students around the globe. Now, integration technology. How does a perfect educational strategy look like? What is the best way for the students to perceive information? Allowing students to create their own materials and resources may help them acknowledge all the minor and major challenges that may appear during learning. Additionally, it helps to find the best ways to implement the cross-curricular and integrated study approach. Various aspects of different learning fields can be easily combined in specific tech instruments and tools. Active learning. While a considerable number of students are not motivated for learning, others do their best to take advantage of modern tools and innovative technology to use their theoretical knowledge practically. Active learning has nothing in common with writing service, as its purpose is to help students learn from their own experience. Trying various learning methods and approaches implemented by a teacher, the student becomes an active player with a multitude of new ideas, thoughts, and concepts. Student-created concept. An increasing number of technologies-based approaches to studying is aimed to provide students with a compelling chance to create unique content and share ideas with other students. Online platforms and learning apps help students around the globe keep in touch, discuss valuable matters, and work on the same projects. As a result, the web-based tools can support young learners and help them promote their ideas to a completely new level. Collaboration approach. With the help of modern technologies, students can keep learning irrespective of the time and place where they happen to be. Online learning platforms, the diversity of educational applications and other services can be easily accessed from any part of the world. Additionally, such apps like FaceTime, Zoom, Skype, and others can simplify international communication and increase the range of learning opportunities. The collaborative approach to education helps to achieve goals faster and become more productive. Flipped. Now, moving on to flipped learning, a completely new technology-induced approach to learning will transform the traditional methods and make students more efficient. The main purpose of flipped learning is to improve the communication and interaction of students with teachers. With the help of digital information and up-to-date techniques, students get the necessary information on different topics. The details of the home task and new projects are thoroughly discussed in the class. Consequently, the students are more focused on individual learning with accurate instructions though. Competence-oriented education. Instead of the traditional time-based learning, students get a precious chance to focus their attention and efforts on effective education. It means that using the diverse online platforms, digital services, and in-person teaching, they will obtain necessary information without any relating to the time. No matter if you need 15 minutes to get the material or 2 hours to grasp the topic, you can use the time to its maximum combined learning. Implementation of digital media and web-based platforms in the traditional classroom setting is one of the most efficient and realistic approaches to education. Students have a chance to use digital platforms and modern tools to advance their knowledge, improve the accomplishments of the task, and speed up the achievement of the desired results.